Hela School, St. Stephen's School. God bless staff and children of our school. Hello everyone, myself Shubhratip Chakraborty, 2002 ICSE and 2004 ISC batch. It's a great initiative taken by us and mainly Judhajit. So I'm really happy to share a bit of my video, and in this way we can at least pay our love and respect to our teachers of the school, St. Stephen's School. And really I mean to say that actually what we have learned and what we are today, this is all because of our school and the teachers of our school mainly. Thank you all. It's heartfelt thanks to all our teachers who are part of St. Stephen's School, and it's very tough to name in this way, but to all the teachers, thank you so much to be a part of our life, to be a great part of one of the main journey of our life. Thank you all. What we have learned, everything is from you, and thanks again. Thank you সবাইকে. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Gitanjali Gupta of ICSA 2002 batch St. Stephen's School. I think this is a great initiative taken by one of our friends for thanking all our teachers who has played a significant role in our lives. I would not take any separate names because I believe that each and every teacher had played a role in making me what I am today. So thank you teachers, thank you all, thank you for being there, and thank you for giving the best and the most memorable years of my life. Thank you again.
Hi friends, আশা করি তোমরা সবাই খুব ভালো আছো. Our very own friend Judhajit, Dr. Judhajit Chaudhary has taken a very good initiative to commemorate all our teachers and through this social networking site, এবং he has been stupendous. সত্যিকারের খুব ভালো একটা পদক্ষেপ নিয়েছে, এবং really we miss our school days very much. আজকে আমরা যা whatever identity we have prepared today, it's all because of the teachers, right from Joyjit sir to Ella ma'am to Sanjukta ma'am to Deepti ma'am. Every one of them has been a true inspiration for us, and what we are is only because of you sir and ma'ams. আপনারা ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন. থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, এবং এই কঠিন সময়ে আরো ভালো থাকুন. থ্যাংক ইউ. Bye.
Hello all, this is Sangeeta from 2002 batch. This is an initiative taken by our friend Judhajit for thanking all the teachers and staff of St. Stephen's School. I would like to thank each and everybody associated with the school, like the teachers, the staff, and all my friends, for the amazing experience and giving me the best years of my life. Thank you everybody. The memories are and will always be very special. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shomo Dasgupta from ICC 2002 batch St. Stephen's. This video is just to thank all our teachers who have played an immense role in developing us, and we are very proud that we have been a part of your lives and you people have been a part of our lives. I'm very happy to be here where I am now today, and I hope this is going to be a video to remember everything that you people have done for us. We love you all, and hope to see everybody of you all soon. And great cheers up to our friends who have taken an initiative to do this. Thanks, all the best, bye.
Hi, this is Maitri Nandi. I am from ICSC 2002 batch. This initiative is taken by one of my classmates, Judhajit. Thank you, Judhajit, for giving me this opportunity. First of all, I want to thank my school and all my teachers and the staff for being the backbone of supports, guidance, and giving me the strength to struggle in life and fight back. I am who I am right now because of my school and my teachers. So thank you for that. I have spent like almost more than 12 years in Stephens, right from nursery till class 10. So it has been the golden days of my life, and continue to give your blessings to us so that we can continue to learn, love and serve our society, and a big heartfelt respect and love for you. Thank you very much. Stay fit and stay healthy.
Hi, my name is Siddharth Datta Chaudhary. I am from Damdam, Kolkata. I have studied in St. Stephen's School from lower nursery till class 12. There are plenty of memories which has been attached with my school. I was not good in mathematics or chemistry, but I tried hard in those subjects, and I was good in other subjects. And the teachers who have helped me out thoroughly in my school days are Anisha Madam, Shadana Madam, and Apurpa Madam. And I really miss those school days. And thanks to Judhajit for attaching myself in this group. And good to see you all, my friends of the childhood days, and with chat with them is a special memorable thing for me. And today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day.
Hi everyone, this is Mithila Shah of 2002 batch St. Stephen's School. Thanks Judhajit for your initiative for uniting all of us and thanking our teachers. I would like to thank all the teachers and staffs of St. Stephen's School for making my school days memorable and enjoyable. I would like to thank all my teachers for the immense love and inspiration and encouragement that they have given me, that has helped me in every path of my life and is still helping me. Thanks to all my teachers, thanks to all my friends. Thank you.
Hello, this is Shubhoti from the batch of 2002. I firmly believe that একটা বাচ্চার বড় হওয়ার পেছনে তিনজনের খুব একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট রোল থাকে, বাবা, মা আর তার টিচাররা। কারণ ছোটোবেলা থেকে যখন আমরা বড় হই তখন বাবা মার পরে বোধহয় টিচারদের সাথে আমরা বেশিক্ষণ সময় স্পেন্ড করতে পারি। আজকে আমরা যেখানে আছি, যেভাবে আছি, সবাই হয়তো সাকসেসফুল হয়েছে, কেউ টিচার হয়েছে, কেউ হয়তো সায়েন্টিস্ট হয়েছে, কেউ ডাক্তার, কেউ ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, কিন্তু আমরা যে একটা ভালো মানুষ হতে পেরেছি এটার জন্য কিন্তু একমাত্র টিচারদের কাছে এটা ক্রেডিট। তো যখন যুধাজিৎ আমাকে একটা অপশান দিল যে চল ওয়াই নট টেল সামথিং অ্যাবাউট ইউর অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েশন টুয়ার্ড দ্য টিচার, তো আমার মনে হলো যে না, এর থেকে ভালো অপশান তো আর পাওয়া যায় না। আই অ্যাম ভেরি থ্যাঙ্কফুল টু অল মাই টিচার্স যারা আমাকে ছোটোবেলা থেকে ঠিক রাস্তা দেখিয়েছে।
Hello everyone, this is Suranjana Singh this side. Actually, thanks to Judhajit, initiative to নেওয়ার জন্য। আমি 2002 pass out Stephens থেকে, and I want to thank all my teachers, especially বলবো দীপ্তি ম্যামের জন্য, because I think উনি না থাকলে হয়তো আমাদের স্কুলটা তো বেটার স্কুল হতে পারতো না যেটা ছিল, and I suppose ওটা এখনো আছে। and thanks to my teachers, কেন ওরা যদি আমাদেরকে এতটা এনকারেজ না করতো প্রবাবলি আমরা আজ যেখানেই থাকুক না কেন সেটা হয়তো থাকতে পারতাম না। সো আই থিঙ্ক বিগেস্ট অ্যাচিভমেন্ট হচ্ছে এটাই যে তাদের জন্য এবং আমাদের জন্য যে আমরা এত দূর অব্দি এসেছি। and thanks, a hearty thanks to them actually, and all the best to everybody. Thank you for that.
Everyone, myself Shatodru Rai. I am from 2002 ICSC batch. I would like to thank all my teachers, staff members from St. Stephen's School, because what they have given, the memories, the teachings, the blessings, they are just, we cannot define such love, such affection from the teachers, the staffs. And also I would like to thank Judhajit for the great initiative that he has taken to come together.
Hello, this is Shirsha Basu of 2002 ICSC batch of St. Stephen's School. This great initiative was taken by one of my very good friends, Judhajit, and I want to thank him and my classmates and my teachers, the staffs, and whole St. Stephen's for giving me such values, such golden memories of my life. I would be grateful to each and everyone for gifting me the golden memories which I can cherish for my whole lifetime. And the values my teachers have given me, that is humanity or the love for humans. What I can say, first you become a good human being, then everything will come in your own way. That is the main value or the main lesson that my teachers, my parents have given me, and I want to pass it to the next generation. And in this situation of crisis, when everyone is fighting against this unknown disease, we need this most immensely, that we should be very compassionate, very loving and affectionate towards everyone, so that we can fight this and overcome the pandemic or the crisis that we're going through. Thank you so much.
This is Varun Shah, 2002 ICSE batch, 2004 ISC batch. I want to drop a note of thanks to all my teachers who have helped me, guided me in the 12 most important years of my life, and without whose help I would have never been able to lead a meaningful and a happy life. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I also want to thank all my friends and my fellow Stephenites who's given me this opportunity. And as I was going through the group that they created to have this arranged, it just felt like they took it off from where they left. Thank you all. Stay safe in these trying times. Take care. Cheers.
Hello friends, myself Shushmita Singh of 2002 batch of St. Stephen's School. We are all fortunate enough that we had been a part of St. Stephen's School, because in this school we have learned a lot. और आज हम लोग जो कामयाब हैं, अपने पैरों पे खड़े हैं, सब अपनी अपनी जगह पे अपने आप को पॉजिटिव और मोटिवेटेड महसूस कर रहे हैं. That's all because of you teachers. You are all true inspiration for us. किसका मैं नाम लूँ, किसका मैं नहीं लूँ. संदीप सर, जयजीत सर, विश्वरूप सर, संजुक्ता मैम, साधना मैम, एला मैम, and many more to add in my list. और इन सब के बदौलत ही हम अपने आप को महसूस कर पाए कि हमारे अंदर वो क्षमता है कि हम हर चुनौतियों का सामना कर पाए और अपने आप को कामयाबी के शिखर पे ले जा सके. आज इस एपिडेमिक कंडीशन में हम यही चाहेंगे कि प्लीज़ आप सभी लोग सेफ़ रहें, सेल्फ क्वारंटाइन रहें और सुरक्षित रहें. और प्लीज़ ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज़ बी सेफ एंड हेल्दी.
Hello, hi, my name is Chitrajit Chaudhary, 2002 batch St. Stephen's. First of all, Bangla bolba puroটা. Shock teacher there, thank you for everything that you have done to all of us, especially Stephen sir, each and every teacher যাদের জন্য আজকে আমরা এখানে এসে দাঁড়াতে পেরেছি. প্রত্যেকে নিজের মতো established হয়েছি, especially their voice words, তারপর তাদের প্রত্যেক শিক্ষা দেওয়া. It was a fun studying in Stephen's, where had a lot of moments to remember and a lot of moments to forget, and proud to be part of it, especially thanks to Ella Miss, Sadhana Miss, Aprupa Miss, and if I miss someone's name, I'm sorry, Bishop sir, Joyji sir, আরো অনেকে আছে লিস্টে, but just stay well, stay safe. Thank you.